back to my channel. Welcome back to Vibes with Tiara. So y'all, today is August 12th, Monday, August 12th. And yes, before I get into this video, go ahead and make sure you like this video, leave a comment below, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, make sure your post bell notifications is on so every time I do post, you are notified. Make sure you're shopping with Tiara's One Stop Shop, and if you are in the area, make sure you are booking with Tiara's One Stop Shop. Well, y'all, today we're going to be doing some rope twist on my client. Yeah, some jumbo rope twist. So just wanted to come and record a little bit. I have not did a full video of me doing someone's hair. Just wanted to see how this video goes, and if you guys like these type of videos, just want to play around and see what you guys like. But yeah, we're doing some jumbo rope twist, and I have everything set up, waiting for her to pull up. She's just not getting off work. She just texted me and said she is on the way. About to find us something to watch on TV. And yes, I just wanted to come and say hey before I just jump into the video. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Stay tuned, and I'll pick up the camera whenever she gets here, okay? So you have to go ahead. Yeah, tomato. So y'all, I like to start all of my services off with a good old scalp massage. While I'm massaging their scalp, I like to do a little bit of small talk, ask about work, how school was, how their day was. I ask about the family, the kids, their husband, their mom, their dad. But yeah, this is when I just do a little bit of small talk, and I ask them if they want to watch anything particular on TV. If not, I always have a show in mind or some type of movie that I would like to watch with them before I get into their hair. So at the moment, I am currently gonna go in and start pre-parting her hair. Because we're doing jumbo twist, anything jumbo braids or twist, I like to do pre-parting. If it was small or medium, knotless or twist or anything like that, I would not pre-part because it takes up a lot more time to pre-part. But I feel like with jumbo twister braids, it's definitely important to go ahead and pre-part and map out at least the rows that you are going to use for the twister braids. So this part of the pre-parting I call the rough draft stage. During this stage, I do not use any product, but I am using rubber bands to section off each section or each row as I go through the head and decide where I'm going to put each of the twist or braid. I feel like when you do this part as far as the rough draft for no products and map out each row, I feel like you use less product than going in right away and trying to pre-part with actual product. So once I am done with the rough draft phase, I am going to go ahead and take the rubber bands out each section, starting in the back, and I am going to actually apply my product of choice on the part. And this is when I am going to define the part. I'm going to go over that part as many times as I need to, as you're going to see, to get it the way that I want it and like. And yes, these are jumbo twists. I am going to use a decent amount of product because I do want the twist to last and the hair to stay in the twist. I want the hair to be in place. It is more hair that is exposed than it would if you had smaller twists or braids. So this is why I am going to use a decent amount of product to make sure that the hair is laid and molded in a way that it is going to last and the hair is not going to be sticking out of the twist or braid. So now that I have added the actual hair product, I am going to make sure all of my lines are to my liking. I went over these parts so many times. When I was editing this video, I was like, Tiara, ain't no way you went over these parts that many times. So Don't rush. Again, this is the longest part in my opinion as far as any type of jumbo hairstyle, is just making sure those parts are crisp, because of the actual braids and twists are going to be so large. The parts have to be crisp, they have to be on point, because that is going to be something that is going to be seen. You're going to see a whole lot of the parts. Most of the hair is about the parts. So like I said, please do not be afraid to take your time with parting and making sure the parts again is to your liking and the way you want your parts to look. So once I get the roll to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and start sectioning off each of the sections and adjusting the part as needed. I am going to apply product to each of those sections, and I'm going to smooth each section out and make sure that I am trying to center all of the hair and get it all in the middle. So as I am combing, I am molding the hair so that the hair is molded to the center of the box. So once I finish molding and parting and putting everything in place to my liking, I am going to use a rubber band to hold everything in the center and in place. And I am going to do the exact same thing to each one of the rows. I'm going to section it off, apply product, mold that section, and I'm going to rubber band each one of those sections till I make my way to the top. So just watch me as I work my way to the top. So y'all, this is how everything turned out as far as my parting and all of my sections. This is how it's going to look. So once I get all of that done, I'm going to use a crochet hook, and I am going to crochet in medium sized pieces of braiding hair. Once I get the braiding hair through, I am going to apply a little bit more of the product, and I am going to apply it to her natural hair so that I could blend it in with the braided hair. And I'm also going to hide her actual natural hair in the middle of the braiding hair on each side. So I did put her natural hair in two, and on each side, the left and the right, I am going to have a piece of her natural hair. So once I have her hair hid in the middle of the actual braided hair the way I want it to, I am going to twist each side, and I'm also going to twist the braid as I am going. At the moment, I am adding in a little bit more braided hair so I can make the twist a little bit fuller and thicker to my liking. But as I am twisting down, I am twisting the left and the right piece as well to achieve this look. And yes, I am going to follow the same process all the way to the ends of the hair. So y'all, when I get to the top, I still like to use the crochet hook to pull through a smaller piece of braiding hair than I do on all of the other sections. I didn't want to use a medium piece like I did on all of the other sections, so that I did not have to force that much hair and put any type of tension on any of her edges. So again, I do use a smaller piece, and then once I get that small piece through, I do immediately go in with a little bit more braiding hair so that I can get that desired fullness at the roots like all of the others. And I proceed to twist the left and the right side as I am twisted down to achieve that desired look. And yes, y'all, this is how it turned out. The parts look so good. It looks so cute, y'all. And we gave her a little bit of baby hairs. Not too much, not too little. Just enough for her to be able to maintain and do it at home again if she has to. But yes, y'all, I really enjoyed doing this video. If you like this video, please leave something in the comment to let me know that, girl, yes, you need to do this again, because I really enjoyed doing this video. So yes, y'all, let me know in the comments. Okay, y'all, so talk to me while I clean up my mess. Yeah, so I just finished those rope twists. They turned out so cute, as usual. But yeah, it turned out real cute. I just wanted to end the video because I just didn't want to end it with, you know, just the picture of how the whole style ended. But yeah, it took, she left at like 7:30ish, like 30 minutes ago, because it's 8 o'clock. And she got here around like 4ish, so 4, 5, 6, 7. So it took us 3 hours. Again, most of the first part was just parting it, making sure it was even, getting them the way I wanted the squares because they were jumbo. And then the rest of it was just putting the hair in, crocheting it in, and yeah, twisting all the way down. It would have took me maybe like 2 hours and maybe 10-15 minutes, if that. But because I had to record and all of that as well, I feel like it took a little bit longer. But yes, y'all, make sure, if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure your post notifications is on, so every time I do post, you are notified. Make sure you are booking with Tiara's One Stop Shop. Make sure you are shopping with Tiara's One Stop Shop. And like I said, I did no cleaning. I just ran my mouth because I can't do 2 things at once. I need to focus on one thing, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if this is something that you want me to show, other styles and things that I do. I'll see you in the next one. I hope you guys enjoy it.